there, it's Michelle from Michelle's Party Planet. Today I wanted to share with you the process of melting plastic straws with the Cricut Easy Press. Now this process can actually be done with a regular ironing board and some Teflon sheets. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing how you can do this with Cricut products. So what you're going to need is a Cricut Easy Press, 2 ironing protective sheets, some plastic straws in the colors of your choice, and an EasyPress mat. A little bit of background. I'm actually working on a Nightmare Before Christmas party, and my husband was able to 3D print some skulls for me that I'm going to be using on some gift wrapping as party props. So I wanted to add some ribbon, but not use regular ribbon or paper ribbon. I wanted something with a little more dimension and texture. So I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to reuse some plastic straws that I have in the house. You can actually implement this process for lots of different projects in your craft room. I'm going to be repurposing these little gift tags that I'm making to make them for ornaments. So what you're going to do first is go ahead and lay out your EasyPress mat, a protective sheet, your straws. For this purpose I used 10 straws, 5 white, 5 black. And then you're going to set your EasyPress to 350 or 355 degrees. Either one works. You can go as high as 360, but I noticed it didn't really make a difference. And I used the timer at 45 seconds. It's ready to go. You're going to line up your straws and put a protective sheet over it. You're going to flip it over and repeat that process on the other side. As you can see, it's all melted in pretty stripes, and you just basically put a little pressure on top of it just to make sure it doesn't warp. And once it's cooled down enough to handle, you can take it off the second sheet. What I did now at this point, basically, is I just wanted to trim off the sides to leave it a more even ends, because the white straws were actually longer than the black straws. And for the purpose of my project, I wanted to create a bow just using these 10 straws. So I decided to just cut the center of that. That I have 2 pieces, and one will be used as the bow part and the other will be used as the little tails that are beneath the bow. So just locate the center of the ribbon, and you're going to tack the sides down with glue. With the other piece, you're going to kind of fold it in diagonally in half to create the little tails, and then trim the ends as you would ribbon. Once that's done, you're going to bend the 2 sides to create your bow and tack the ends in the center. So if you don't have these skulls or 3D printer, you can actually sculpt these. You can make kind of paper, do whatever you'd like. You can just make the bows out of plastic. But these are something that's going to last for years. They're going to last as ornaments, they're going to last as decorations, and they're great for this time of year. Great for the fall holiday season all the way through Christmas. And if you're a Disney fan, you can even make this as a headband. You can attach it to a barrette for your hair, for your kids, or for yourself. So, possibilities are endless. These plastic straws could basically be turned into anything. So there you go. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!